Welcome everyone, and thank you for taking time out of your day to attend today's presentation. We at Jeffran Inc. are excited to present our new tool that will help our partners do business with us more efficiently. We would like to introduce today our new RMA Hybris Portal. This portal is an extension of the current Jeffran configurator. This is a credential-controlled area available to you as a member of our contracted partners to be able to easily submit your RMA inquiries online. As mentioned, our RMA portal is an extension of our Jeffran configurator, and therefore, you will use your existing credentials to log in. With our new RMA portal, you will have easy access to view your RMA submissions as well as the status, delivery, documents, and many other helpful information pertaining to your RMA requests, which we will go over throughout this presentation. At the end of the presentation, we will have a Q&A session, but if you have any questions during the presentation, feel free to type them in the window to the right of your screen, and we will do our best to answer them at the end of the presentation. First, we would like to go over the different scenarios you will encounter within the RMA process. As you see here, these are the different types of scenarios that your product may fall into. Repair under warranty, replacement under warranty, credit to customer, which is for commercial returns under warranty only. Please note that this scenario is not available for inquiries of returning a wrong ordered item. For these inquiries, please continue to email orders.us@jeffran.com to get approval. Repair out of warranty, and this will include a quoted price. Service out of warranty, which will also include a quoted price. No service out of warranty, and this is for products that are out of warranty and cannot be repaired or credited. They can be replaced at the normal discount you're entitled to. Jeffran structure out of scope. This is for motion products, and for these products you will find contact information in the link below. And lastly, disposals. In order to make use of this new tool, you will simply navigate to our website by entering in the URL of your browser www.jeffran.com. Note that you no longer have to type jeffran.com/en/US in order to reach the US portion of our website. Once you reach our website, click on the customer area located on the top right-hand side of your screen, which will open a new browser or tab for our customer portal, and it will bring you to the main login screen shown on the top right-hand side of your screen here. Here, you may use your existing credentials to log in. As mentioned, our new RMA portal is an extension of our Jeffran configurator, and therefore, once you have logged in, you will not only see the options for list price and check stock, but you will also find the RMA section on the far left-hand side shown here. By clicking on RMA, you will enter the new RMA Hybris portal. Once you have clicked on the RMA button, you will be brought to the main screen of the RMA portal. Here you will find a complete list of any previously submitted RMAs. You can sort your RMA tickets by any category using the up and down arrows located in each column. You may also search for your RMA by entering the ticket number in the search field, which is located on the top right-hand side. You may also review any completed and closed RMAs by clicking on the padlock button on the top right-hand side, and you may also create a new RMA by clicking on the Add button, which is also located on the top right-hand side of your screen. Here you will see an overview of what your tickets will look like. You will be able to see the date created, your RMA ticket number, your PO number, company name, ship to address, which can be edited, product in question, serial number if available, status of your RMA, the scenario type, any documents associated with your RMA, such as your RMA quote, repair order with details of your repair, delivery documents, which include tracking information if your part has been returned, and you will also be able to view your invoice if one was generated for a repair or a replacement out of warranty. All of the above mentioned documents are downloadable. Here are some important points that we've gone over so far. To access the RMA Hybris portal, use the same login credentials that you already own to access the online price and stock configurator. You will have access to all of your processed RMAs. Documents such as replacement, repair order, as well as delivery notifications and invoices will be available for download. Now let's go over creating an RMA ticket. To create a ticket, you will click on the Add button. This will bring you to the screen you see here. In the Company section, you will see your company name and address. If your Ship To address is different from your main address, it will show up in this section as well. If you need to add or edit a Ship To address, click on the Return Destination Address button located on the top right-hand side. Any new addresses added will be saved for future use. The next section is the product information. This is where you will enter the code number for the part in question. If you need help or cannot find the part code, you may click on the small information icon located here. Next, you will enter the serial number. And if you're unsure as to where to find the serial number, you may also click on the information icon there. If the serial number is scratched off or is unreadable, you may check off the box titled Serial Number Not Readable to proceed. In the client ticket number, you will be able to reference your PO number, if any. This is the guide you will see when you click on the information button. As you see here, it shows you where to find the model number, our JFRAN code number, and the serial number for both sensors and automation products. Your next step for creating an RMA ticket is the fault category. Here, you will find a drop-down list of categories your item may fall under. Please select one of the default options listed on the drop-down menu and provide as much information as possible regarding the failure of the product. In this portion of your ticket creation, you will also have the ability to add any attachments. If possible, please provide a picture of the product if the damage is visible. If your RMA is in regards to a melt sensor, we highly recommend you include a picture of the diaphragm. You may also provide your PO associated with your RMA. Please note that if your repair comes at a cost, at this point of your RMA creation, you will not know the cost of the repair. Therefore, your attached PO will have a zero value listed. Your next step is to save your RMA. Please make sure to review the information prior to saving. Be advised that if you have more than one item that you wish to submit an RMA for, a ticket needs to be created for each item. The only exceptions are disposals. If you have more than one item to be disposed of, you may create the ticket for one of the items and you may list the rest of the items in the description field. Here are some important points we've just gone over. You can add a new address destination if needed. If you click on the information icon, you will find information on how to locate your serial number. Upload your purchase order or a picture of your sensor. Add as much information in the description field of what's wrong with your item. Once you have saved your RMA, you will see the following screen. In this screen, your RMA will be allocated a scenario based on the information provided. The system will automatically determine the product production date based on the serial number that you provide. This scenario has been determined as a warranty replacement. Therefore, the repair cost will show zero and you will receive a message stating the product will be replaced under warranty. You will be advised to return the product within 90 days to the return address that will be listed below. In order to finalize your RMA submission, you must click Accept, or you may also place your RMA on standby if you need time to decide to proceed or reject it. Please note that if you put your ticket on standby, you will have 30 days to either accept or reject. If the ticket stays on standby status, after the 30 days it will automatically be deleted, and you will have to create a new one. The following scenario was determined as service with budget. In this scenario, you will see a repair cost associated with your RMA. Although you may have attached a PO with a zero value, by clicking the Accept button, you agree to continue with the quoted price and our terms and conditions. You may view our terms and conditions by going to the link listed here. This third scenario will be a disposal. Again, it will show a zero cost, and our address will be listed here as well for you to return the items to be disposed of. Here are some important points we've just gone over. On warranty replacements, if your faulty material is not returned within 90 days, you will be invoiced for the replacement unit. The scenario service with a budget or repair or replacement out of warranty is a quotation. If you click Accept, you are agreeing to proceed according to our terms and conditions. If you leave a ticket in standby status for more than 30 days, the ticket will automatically delete and you will have to create a new one. Once you have accepted the RMA, your RMA ticket will be created, and you will have the ability to view it anytime. A ticket number will also be created. When you click on your ticket from the main screen, this is what your ticket will look like. There are 5 tabs listed above. The first tab, named Creation, will give you an overview of what you have submitted. It will include the product code, product name, which is the model number, the fault description, your PO number, and the date the ticket was created. The second tab is your Progress tab. Here you will see the immediate status of your ticket, your repair cost, if any, and your repair order number. In this tab, these are the main sections to view, as the other sections are for internal use. In the Checklist tab, you will be able to see a checklist of the evaluation, which is updated by our technicians. To view the full list, click on the Expand button next to the part number. The screen on the right-hand side will show what our repair technicians tested and whether it passed or failed, along with any side notes which will be included below. The Repair tab will show you the results of your evaluation. Here you will see the fault category, fault element within the part, fault cause along with any additional notes included by our technicians. In this tab you may also find attachments provided to you by our technicians, which will include pictures of the evaluation findings. The Closure tab is updated once your RMA has been completed and shipped. In this tab, you will see the shipping date if your product has been returned to you, along with any additional notes that may apply. If your product has been returned, you will also see our internal delivery note, and you will see your invoice number once the invoice has been processed. These individual documents will also be available to download in the main screen under the Documents column. Once you have created an RMA ticket and a ticket number is available, you have the ability to download and print your ticket. This is very important, as you will need to print out this ticket and include it in the box along with your parts when sending them to us. You may download and print your ticket by clicking the download button seen here. You also have the ability to download and print your tickets from the main screen list view. Here are some additional important points we've just gone over. Once a ticket is created, there are different tabs on the overview of your ticket. On the Progress tab, you can see the status of your ticket. On the Checklist tab, you can click the Expand icon and review the technician's findings. Please remember to download your RMA ticket and include it with your shipment. This concludes our presentation. Thank you once again for attending. At this moment, we would like to open our Q&A session and answer any questions you may have submitted.